Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I want to show you how to replace the fuse on the SEYVUM TR-1611 portable air compressor in case you need to replace your fuse. There's nothing wrong with the fuse on this one, but I would like to show you how to replace it in case you are having problems with your SEYVUM TR-1611 fuse. SEYVUM made it very easy to replace this fuse. On some other items you have to just take the whole cover off in order to replace the fuse, but on this one, right on the power cord that is under, you take the power cord out, and once you take the power cord, right here, this thing right here, all you have to do is loosen it up. But when you loosen it up, be careful that you don't lose this piece that's sticking out because it's loose in there. So all you have to do is unscrew it. Like this. So now once you unscrew it, you'll see the fuse, but like I said, be careful with that piece because it comes out. Now you're exposed to the fuse, and all you have to do is just remove it and put your new fuse right in. Once you put your new fuse, make sure you turn it backwards like this for you won't lose that piece. And all you do is take it and screw it back in. And that's all to it. So you have replaced the fuse on your SEYVUM TR-1611. So once again, this is Not Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Not Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.